Hi, my name is Jocelyn Pearl, and I'm 12 years old. I'll be showing you how to install HID lights. Before we start, please never try this if you're 17 years old or under. I've been trained before we shoot this. First, look at the best location to install the ballast. This is the best location for the right side ballast. This is the best location for the left ballast. Remove 2 screws holding the air duct. Now remove the air duct and put it on the side. Look at the headlight cover and pull it out. Squeeze the clip that holds the lights. Pull the light away. Take the lights and plug it to the ballast until it clicks. Connect the other 2 wires and plug it in. Pull the wires back of the headlight. Connect the red and the black wires to the lights. You only need to connect the left or the right headlight wires. Unscrew the light cover. Install the light. After you install the light, put the clip back in. Now do the other lights. That's it! Check my other video. I will show you how to install HID lights. Thank you for watching!